Have you ever thought about how weird a smile actually is? You bare your teeth, scrunch your eyes a bit, and somehow it makes people feel good. It disarms strangers, reassures friends, and sometimes even hides what we truly feel. But where did this odd little behavior come from? And why do humans across every culture on Earth do it? To answer that, we have to go back, way back, before civilization, before language, even before fire. Early hominins were already dealing with a big problem: survival in groups. Living with others had massive benefits: protection, shared food, child rearing. But it came with one major drawback: tension. When everyone has sharp sticks, status anxiety is a dangerous game. That's where the smile comes in. Anthropologists believe smiling may have evolved from what's called the fear grimace. It's something we see in primates, a submissive display meant to say, "Hey, I'm not a threat." Over time, that expression got softened, repurposed, and rewired. Humans didn't just evolve to survive with others. We evolved to thrive through connection. Smiling became a tool not just to diffuse conflict, but to build trust, signal cooperation, and foster bonds that could outlast words. And here's the wild part: your brain rewards you for it. When you smile, even a fake one, your brain releases dopamine, endorphins, and serotonin. It's like a little neurochemical gift for you and for the people around you. It makes sense. Cooperation kept our ancestors alive. And smiles, weirdly enough, are part of that survival toolkit. Today, we smile at babies, at awkward jokes, in interviews, and in grief. We smile when we're in love, and sometimes when we're lying. It's complex, but that's the point. A smile is more than muscle movement. It's a social signal, evolved over millions of years, fine-tuned to help us navigate the beautiful chaos of being human. So, the next time you smile, whether it's real, polite, or uncertain, remember, it's not just a gesture. It's history, biology, and connection, all wrapped up in a single silent message: you can trust me.